Hey guys, it's Mike here. I just want to show you a couple of other cool features on Scratch that have just come out recently. So there's this one cool new tool, it's motion sensing, where instead of say, if you're playing Xbox or a computer game or whatever, and you click on your character and the character jumps up, um, now you can make a character say jump up actually waving behind your webcam camera, which I can show you. That's what's happening right here. So if I go to Scratch, um, I simply click this button here to add extensions, and on video sensing you can see I'm behind it and down in the corner. So again, I can make simple actions in Scratch, motion, make it look, sound, whatever. So I press this green arrow and the cat rotates. Now that's from the mouse on the computer, but I can also make the cat move by, say, scratching him. So when the video motion is greater than 10, I can press this. I can make the cat meow. So I can play the meow sound, and so when I go, I'm going to make the sensitivity up a little more, 75. So now when I go like this, behind the cat, he waves. If I don't go hard enough, he won't do anything, but 75, the cat will meow, which is pretty cool. I hope you could hear that. And then the next thing that I want to show you is Makey Makey. And Makey Makey is a tool where you can pretty much make household objects into coding mechanisms, coding implements, and it makes coding even more tangible and fun. I'm just going to show you a quick video on Makey Makey. Again, this is, if you go back, this is an extension that you can click that now Scratch provides, coding and Makey Makey together. If you're not sure what Makey Makey is, here's a little quick video.